Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Franca and welcome to Styles by Franca. So on today's episode guys, I'll be teaching you how to make the sleeve, this structured sleeve. Let's go straight into this video. So guys, I'm using a doll face fabric. So I'm folding my fabric into 4. I'm just showing you guys how I am folding this fabric. So I placed my tape rule, then I decided to use 16 inches wide. Then I later changed my mind to 17 inches. So I chalked out my 17 inches wide, then I cut it out. So after cutting it out guys, so I have 2 pieces, so I'm going to be using an interface to make it more structured. So I'm using a very light interface. Then I gummed my interface with my fabric at the wrong side. So I'm going to be stitching straight. Just look at what I'm doing at the video guys. So you're going to stitch straight like that. So guys, here I'm finally done. After stitching it, I give it a good ironing. So I'm going to be placing the sleeve. It is a very simple sleeve. I'm just going to measure where I'm putting it. I'm going to measure from my shoulder to where I want it to be. Then I placed it exactly where I want it to be. Then I started pleating it. You can do a kissing pleating. You can also do a small box pleat. So I pleated at the front side. So I'll flip it over and also join it to the back side like this. As you can see, just a little pleat. Then you turn it to the back side, then stitch down as well. You're going to stitch it down. So I discovered it was too long, so I decided to cut off a little out of it. Then so here is the back of my dress. So there's a way you place the sleeve so it won't be showing the rough edge. You can see how I was struggling how to place it. Then you place it in a certain way that the rough edge will not be showing at the front side of the dress. Then I placed it and I stitched it down just how I did the first one. I'm going to make some small pleats, then I'll stitch down. So if you watch this video up to this moment, please subscribe to my channel, give my video a thumbs up. So here's the sleeve guys. I'm done sewing the first side, so I'm going to do that to the second side as well. So it is a very simple sleeve tutorial. Please, if you find my video very helpful, please subscribe to my channel, give my video a thumbs up. To really mean a lot to me. So I'm going to do the second sleeve as well. So yes, how it looks like. So I'm done doing the both sleeve, as you can see. Please like and give my video a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye.